My name is Abba Enyumayo. I'm an organizational psychology practitioner and I head the HR department for Ashesi University. Now, I've known Purple 12 for a long time, probably from the very early stages, and it's exciting to come here and help out and know that they are training new people to have the competency that the company has, the Purple 12 has. So I'm glad to be part of this, coming to teach about how to hire without having money for entrepreneurs, people who are starting to run event planning companies. And I was happy, I was excited to know that they know some of the principles, and bringing it in together made it simple for them. So for me, just seeing how simple everything has become in the participants' mind was exciting. This is a very well organized program. All details had been given, and it's been exciting to be part of this event.